Hi guys, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel, Paper Sweets. Thank you for joining me today. Hope you're having a great day. For today's video, I'm going to be showing a design team project that I created for Fancy Pants Designs. And I did use the new Fruitcake and Tinsel collection kit, which is this one here. I have an unboxing video, so I'll link that in the description box below, where I share all of the ephemera pieces and all of the pattern papers and everything that's in this cute collection. I love the bright colors. For my design team project today, I was really inspired by the mailbox treat box that I received from Armin last weekend, and it was Halloween themed. Hers, I believe she said, it was using a die from My Creative Time, and this one here is using a Scrap Diva Designs die. And luckily I did pick it up last year. I really wanted it and I could not remember if I actually, picked it up or not. So I did have it and I was excited to use it and make one of these. So I think it's super cute. And I'll measure it out for you just really quick. It is about 2 3/4 wide, and the height is almost 5 inches. And it's a little over an inch, like 1 inch and 1/8 deep. So that's the measurement, and it just comes together really quick, super cute. The only thing I still have to do is either add some Velcro, or I was thinking little magnets, if I can find my magnets, to keep it closed up here at the top, because it kind of just wants to pop open. I don't know, it's the way I put it together or just the angle. So I need to find some way to keep it closed. But I think it's so cute. And then I just had fun layering up the ephemera pieces. I added a couple Christmas trees and this cute little bunny that's on a sled. Added some diamond dots, enamel sticker, and a little pom-pom for the bunny's tail. And then I did add some gold metallic thread, just kind of in the background there, to give it a little sparkle, and some little charms here. So that's the first one. I did make 3 of these. So here is the next one. Pretty much the same, just use different pattern papers and different ephemera. For the front here, for this one I used a present that says "Have a Holly Jolly Christmas," some more enamel dots there, more gold thread, and pretty much the same little dangles. And then here's the third one that I created. So as you can see, just very similar. For this one I added a little bit more of the white diamond dots to make it look like snow up at the top here, and then this really cute little, I don't know, scene here with the little Christmas trees under a glass dome. Super cute. I love that ephemera piece. And then this one that says "Happy Holidays," some snowflakes, more enamel dots there, and the gold string, and more charms. So really similar. And then I was looking through my other dies, and I found a Coco and Reno die set that makes these really cute little envelopes, and they're the perfect size for these mailboxes. So I thought, right now I was trying to hold them down with some washi tape, guys. So they're just wanting to pop up. So these cute little envelopes, I'll share the die set from Coco and Reno, but they're the perfect size to just put inside there with a little note. And I didn't want to decorate the envelopes too much, because I wanted them to still fit through the slot here. So there's that one, and then this one here. So I just made them, different colors, and I think that's so cute. So those are my design team projects for Fancy Pants Designs, and I'll share the the dies that I used. So this here, although it's all a jumbled mess now, but this is the mailbox die from Scrap Diva Designs. And here is the website where you can find this die. And then this one here is the gift bag and card set from Coco and Reno, and it comes with a bigger gift bag die, and I just used the small little envelope that comes with the set. So those are the dies I used. And again, take a look at Fancy Pants Designs and their new paper collections. If you would like to save, I do have a discount code. It's Sweets10, and I'll put that in the description box below as well. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video.